feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go.
Good morning. This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. And today it is, I don't even know what day it is. I think it's the 9th of October. So that's the 9th day of Crocktober. And I'm making a Crocktober dish. I am making, this is beef stew meat. It's a big pack. I don't even know how many pounds or whatever it is, but you can see it's a pretty big pack. So I have, it's going to be beef stew meat, carrots, mushrooms, brown gravy, mushroom gravy, the packets. I'm using the brown gravy, mushroom gravy packets, and salt and pepper, and I've got 2 cups of water here. I've got some Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to go on and put this in the crock pot, and I know y'all can't see, but I wish I knew somebody that could hook up all this stuff for me, but then I probably wouldn't know how to use it. Alright, there's my crock pot, and I'm going to put all this stew meat in here. Okay. And now I've got to get a spoon. A poon. My grandson used to always say a poon. A poon, Gamma. Alright, so then the next thing I'm going to put in here is I put Chop House, this is Pit Boss Chop House steak rub. I put 21 seasoning salute. And I haven't put any of these on there yet. I put the Chop House steak rub, and that's all I put. Alright, then I'm putting on Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. I love this stuff. Just for anything. It's so good. It is so good. You can get it at Walmart. You can pretty much get it anywhere. But it's really good. Alright, so let me see. I'm probably going to put about a teaspoon of that in there. Alright. Well, the same for the 21 seasoning. Probably put about a teaspoon of that in there too. The Chop House steak rub, I've already put some of that on there, so altogether it'll probably be a teaspoon of that. Alright, and then I'm going to do probably 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Okay, about 2 tablespoons of that. And then I've got 2 cups of water here that's going in here. Alright, and then I'm going to put carrots in here. I'm going to put probably 2 pounds of carrots because I love carrots. So, and then I have 1 pound of mushrooms that I have washed and cut up. Now I want to tell you about these mushrooms. These mushrooms were absolutely filthy. They had dirt caked all over them. They were just terrible. Now, if somebody tells you not to wash your mushrooms, tell them that that's baloney. That is really baloney. You wash your mushrooms. Think about it. You're going to put these in here. They're going to get wet. So what's the difference? I'm washing my mushrooms. It has never done one thing to my mushrooms, and I've washed them all my life. And then when I get on YouTube, I hear people say not to wash them. Well, it's never bothered mine. And these were so dirty that I wouldn't have used them for all the money in China. So, without washing them. So, I did wash them, and they're going to go in here. Oh, I forgot the gravy. All right, now, well, all right, I've got to bring you back. I got to move this up closer and probably put some more water in here. All right, bring it back. Okay, y'all. All right, here's the inside of the crock pot. It's got that beef stew meat. It's got probably 2 pounds of carrots and a pound of mushrooms, white button mushrooms, and then I'm going to put this McCormick's brown gravy mix right here, right in the middle, because I forgot to put it in before this other stuff. So now I'm gonna have to mess with it and hope it comes out okay. All right, and then I've got a pack of McCormick's mushroom gravy mix, and that's gonna go right there in the middle. All right, and then I've got about 3/4 cup of water. My dog is going crazy for some reason. I have no idea why. Alright, so that's in there. Hopefully this is going to all cook up good. And now I'm going to put the top on it now. I've got it set on high. This is the Pioneer Woman Crockpot by Hamilton Beach. I've got it set on high and 6 hours. I think that this should be done in that time, maybe even before, but I will check it and see and bring y'all back, and I will talk to you later. Okay, y'all, Brittany just came in and we were talking about this beef stew meat, and Brittany said, you need to get one of those packets of onion soup mix. And I have one. So I'm going to put that in here with all this stuff, and because we're going to use the gravy for the rice or whatever. So I'm going to go on and put this all in here, and hopefully it's going to make a lot of soup with, see, I guess it's 2 3/4 cups of water in here, plus the vegetables are going to put off water, plus the meat's going to put off water. So hopefully this is going to be really good. All right, I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, so I'm getting ready to fix the last thing for this crock pot meal. I'm getting ready to fix some rice, and this is just white rice. And I've got the rice in there, and then I put, I'm going to put 3 cups of, well, about 2.5 cups of water, maybe 3. And I've used this, in 2 cups of this, I put in 1 of these chicken bouillon cubes. These cubes are really soft, so you can break them up, but it doesn't, it takes a while for them to mix together. So anyway, I've got 2 cups of rice in here. All right, so here is the 2 cups of water with the bouillon cube in the bottom of it. You can see that. All right, and then I'm going to put another almost a cup of water in here and spill water all over the side of it. And then I'm going to put about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I don't want to get too much salt because I'm sure that there's probably some in the bouillon. All right, I'm just stirring this up with my measuring spoon here. All right, I'm going to go on and pour the rest of that water. I don't like my rice dry. I like it, I don't know. I just don't like it dry. All right, so I'm going to put the lid on here. I'm going to pressure cook this. All right, I'm going to put it on sealing, not venting, and for some reason my camera was... All right, now I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to do pressure comes up on high, and then I think it goes directly to 10 minutes, and I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes. All right, so there you go. Now in my crock pot, the beef stew meat that I put in there with the carrots and the mushrooms, I've tasted that, and it's bitter. And I'm not sure really what that is unless it's the gravy mix. So I went on and put some honey in it. I don't know if that'll do any good or not. The honey would go good with the carrots, I'm sure. And so hopefully this is going to get rid of the bitterness in it. If not, well, I'll just have to wait and see. It's on warm now. It's already gone through the 6 hours. See, I did 2 hours on high and then 4 hours on low, and now it's on warm, and it's just going through there. I'm not in any really big hurry to fix this. So I will bring you back after a while. Okay, I'm back. All right, so here's my dish. I've just got it on a paper plate. I'm using paper plate and plastic forks because there's nobody here but me. Brittany got off early today, so it's just me eating this, and there'll be plenty of leftovers for her tomorrow. So I want to taste this rice first, and okay, the rice I think needs soy sauce on it. I'm really not too much on regular rice, but I do think it needs some soy sauce on it. I think this is pretty hot. Let me blow it. All right, let me taste the carrots. I just love carrots. Cooked carrots. Let's get some of the meat. Oh, it's hot. This is really good. I think I could have put some other spices in it, though, that would maybe have given it, I don't know, I kind of would have liked to have had a more oriental taste to this. I should have maybe have put some I maybe should have put some sesame oil in it and stuff like that. But this is the first time I've ever done the beef stew meat with just carrots and mushrooms. I usually use potatoes, but I wanted some rice. I've been wanting rice, and I really don't like rice, but I've been wanting some rice, if that makes sense. All right, I'm going to go and get some soy sauce and put some of that in it. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and my Instagram. Also, there'll be things that I use in my kitchen that you can purchase from Amazon or other different places. And there's also things down there, that items that I have done reviews on, and they've given me a discount code for you to put down to get so much off of the item. And like I said, you come up with, I mean, this is good and all, but you come up with your spices that you want to put in there, and you decide what you want to put in there. The beef stew meat and the carrots and the mushrooms are, I mean, it's really good. I just think that I would have liked it more, or I could have put broccoli in it at the end. I could have put all different kinds of things in it. Matter of fact, I might do something like that with the leftovers. I don't know. I've got bean sprouts and all that stuff, so the leftovers I might do something like that. But you have a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small.